Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming what you have: Bluetooth keyboard or wired USB-C/OTG. Make sure both devices have charge. Low power causes pairing failures. On your Redmi tablet, open Settings and go to Bluetooth or Additional Settings to enable OTG if using a wired keyboard. Once done, put the keyboard into pairing mode for Bluetooth or prepare a compatible OTG adapter for wired keyboards. These first steps remove common blockers, so the device can find or accept the keyboard immediately. You now perform the main connection. For Bluetooth, tap Scan in Bluetooth settings, select the keyboard name, and accept any pairing code shown. This verifies identity and secures the link. For wired keyboards, insert the OTG adapter into the tablet USB-C port, then plug in the keyboard. Android should detect it as a USB input device. Next, go to System and Languages and Input to choose the keyboard layout and confirm the tablet recognizes keystrokes. This ensures correct characters and shortcuts. To finish, test typing in a text app and try Enter, Shift, and Control combinations to confirm full operation. If keys don't register, first unplug or forget the device, then reboot the tablet. Restarting clears driver or cache glitches. If Bluetooth pairing repeatedly fails, remove the device from paired lists and repair, or try a different OTG adapter for wired connections. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling Bluetooth or OTG and restarting usually resolves most detection and connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.